Guys, I have an Xbox here, and I have no idea how to fix it. But all I do is click this. Nothing. Nothing. Power. It's good. I click it all day. Nothing. I don't know what's wrong with it. So, I went back here and I tried taking it. Where'd that go? Took the cover off. Tried to pull this up. I'm gonna get it out. Pulled this up. Nothing. I don't know. I don't think it's that. But if you guys know what it is, please comment below. Tell me what it is. See, nothing. Nothing. So I need help. Tell me what it is. I looked through here. You guys can't. I don't know if you can see it. People are saying it's something in here. It could be, but I don't think it is. So yeah, if you know what it is, comment down below, please, and tell me what it is. Thanks.